A common question about the Xteink e-readers is where to get ebooks for them. Xteink doesn't have its own ebook shop, so how do you get the ebooks? Well, there are plenty of morally questionable ways to get them, which, ironically enough, are easier than doing it above board. In the realm of legal sources, Project Gutenberg is the easiest. It focuses on making available for free books without copyright, which are those that were published longer ago, so the copyright ran out. This includes, naturally, a lot of classics. It's easy enough to download the ebooks in EPUB format, and various types of EPUBs are offered depending on the device that you have. Project Gutenberg has come a long way since I started reading ebooks, roughly about 15 years ago, and now it's a very good ebook source. If you want more recent books, you have to go to a proper ebook shop. Amazon is evil and doesn't actually give you access to the files that you buy, so don't use it unless you're reading in one of their devices. I generally use Kobo Books, which, don't get me wrong, isn't unproblematic, but it's better than Amazon. For one, they actually let you have the files that you purchase. Their catalog is almost as good as Amazon, which, we have to be honest, is the best. Here's how you download an ebook from Kobo to add to your Xteink e-reader. So the first step is to buy a book on Kobo Books, and you can then download it. For example, I wanted to download How to Kill a Witch here, and in order to do this, I just click download file, and this will download the file, and I've already added this onto the desktop. So here are all the things that we need in order to get this ebook onto your Xteink. So the first thing that we need is the actual file that's currently copyright protected. Then we need Calibre. We then need two plugins for Calibre, which are going to give us access to this file. So the first step here is to install Calibre, and in my case, I'm just going to do it like this. Install in the desktop, and we've got Calibre installed. Now that we have the file and we have Calibre installed over here, we can then install the two plugins. One of them, this DACSM, is going to convert this file from this ACSM file into an EPUB that's DRM protected, and then this DDRM plugin is going to convert from the DRM EPUB into just a normal EPUB format that you can open in any device. Now, in order to install them, you go into Preferences and then Advanced Plugins, and then Load Plugin from File. And we're going to install the first one and restart Calibre in order to use it. Here we go. Then we can actually see that the plugin was installed, and then we need to customize it. So we go into plugins again, click customize, and in my case, I don't have an Adobe Digital Editions account, so I'm going to create an anonymous authorization. Now, the thing about this anonymous authorization is that it's going to generate the file that you need to keep in order to access this book. And you need to then keep it somewhere safe where you can get it in case you lose it at some point. So here we have the option to select the Adobe Digital Edition software, and the version 2.0.1 is the one that works the best. So we're going to do that, and authorize to anonymous account. Very nice. And we are going to download these two files just to make sure that we have them safely accounted for. Yeah, so that is nicely set up. So after you've installed the DACSM plugin, then you have to install DDRM. So you do the same thing, load plugin from file, DDRM, installs very fast, you restart Calibre, and here it is. So now that you've installed the two plugins, the only thing that you need to do is to drag the file into Calibre And when it shows up in the library, it's in this nice ebook format. And if you go to the folder where it is stored, you can then transfer this EPUB file to the micro SD card in your Xteink e-reader, or transfer via your phone or via the computer, and you've got the ebook on your device. I should say that this method of removing the copyright protection on your files is legal if you only use it for your own personal benefit. So if you use this to have the file that you bought in different devices, if you use this to share this file with anyone that doesn't pay for the book, then this is illegal. This is only for your personal use. So just mind that this is only allowed if you keep it only for your own devices. I hope that's clarified how to get ebooks for your Xteink e-reader. If you have any other suggestions or questions, feel free to put them in the comments below, and happy reading!